Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Genjutsu Shugi Yusha no Okoku Saikenki 14, X. How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom Volume 14, is the 14th volume of the light novel series written by Doji Omaru, and illustrated by Fuyuyuki. It would be first published in Japan on April 25, 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Realist Hero number 13. Risking her life to save her homeland, Shaban, a princess from the nine-headed dragon archipelago, joins Soma's side in hopes of stopping an impending war. But with a fleet already en route to the hostile archipelago under his orders, Soma sets out to infiltrate the islands before they arrive.
Take our lead.
Genjutsu Shugi Yusha no Okoku Saikenki 13, X. How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom Volume 13, is the 13th volume of the light novel series written by Doji Omaru, and illustrated by Fuyuyuki.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Genjutsu Shugi Yusha no Okoku Saikenki 12, X. How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom Volume 12, is the 12th volume of the light novel series written by Doji Omaru, and illustrated by Fuyuyuki.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.